Hello everyone. Standard 5 Math Magic, chapter number 6, Be My Multiple, I'll be your factors. In this video, we will solve some word problems, styling problems from the textbook, page number 97 and 98. Page number 97, on that page, factor tree is given. Look at the factor tree. Now you can make another tree like this. We already learned how to make the factor trees. Okay, one example is given here. 18, factor of 18. 9 2s are 18. Then 9, they break the 9. That 3 3s are 9. Another way we can make a factor tree. 9 2s are 18. Then 18 comes in which table? 6 3s are 18 also we can do. Let's write 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. 6 multiplied by 3, we will get product 18. 6 3s are 18. Then 3 is a prime number, so we will stop here. But 6 is a composite number. So we can break 6 into 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 2 multiplied by 3, we will get product 6. And 6 multiplied by 3, we will get product 18. So this is the factor tree of 18. 2 ways they gave us. Now, in how many ways can you draw a factor tree for 24? Draw 3 of them below. 3 boxes are given here. 24, 24, 24. Let's make the factor tree. Factor tree. First 24 is here. We know that 8 3s are 24. So we will write first 8 multiply by 3. 8 into 3, we will get product 24. 8 3s are 24. Then 3 is a prime number. So we will stop. But 8 is not a prime. It is a composite number. So we can break 8. Now, how many ways are there to break a 8? Okay, 8. We know that 2 4s are 8 or 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. Now 2 is a prime number. But 4 is not a prime. It is a composite number. We can break 4. We can break 4 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. This is the one way. Another way. 24 कौन से टेबल में आते हैं? Yes. 2 12s are. Otherwise 12 2s are. 12 2s are 24. Now 12 2s are 24. 2 is a prime number. So we cannot break it again. But 12 is a composite number. 2 is a prime. 12 is a composite. So let's break it. 6 2s are 12. We know that 2 6s are or 6 2s are 12. Then 2 is a prime once again. But 6 is not a prime. So let's break the 6. And we know we can break 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. And 12 2s are 24. Now third way. 8 3s are 24. 12 2s are 24. Now 12, another 24. Yes, 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. But 6 and 4 both are the composite numbers. So we can break both the numbers. Let's break first 4. So we can break 4 as 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4 and 6. 6 also we can break in 2 ways. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. And 4 6s are 24. So these 3 ways are there to make a factor tree. Next styling problem. Number 1. There is a garden in Anu's house. In the middle of the garden, there is a path. They decided to tile the path using tiles of length 2 feet, 3 feet and 5 feet. एक garden है, there is one garden and in the garden one path. Path means one way. That in that way they decide to tile and the tiles are of length of 2 feet, 3 feet and 5 feet. The mason tile the first row with 2 feet tiles, the second row with 3 feet tiles and the third row with 5 feet tiles. The mason has not cut any of the tiles. Then what is the shortest length of the path? We have to find the shortest length of the path. Maybe this is the path and 2 feet, 3 feet and 5 feet tiles. And how much long we can make a path? But we have to make a shortest path. We have to make a shortest path and it is the 2 feet, 3 feet and 5 feet tiles. 3 types of tiles we have. Now shortest path. To find that shortest path, we have to find out the multiples. Multiples of 2, 3 and 5. And from that, we will find the least common multiple. We will find the common multiple but the smallest common multiple. Smallest common multiple. We will find that smallest. Smallest means least common multiple. Smallest common multiple. It means it is the LCM. LCM, least common multiple. So first we will find out the multiples of 2, multiples of 3 and multiples of 5. So let's find out that 2, then 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34 and so on. Okay, so many common multiples are, multiples are there of 2. Now let's write the multiples of 3. 3, 6, then 9, then 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 28, 27, 30, 33, 36 and so on. And write the 5 multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and so on. So we wrote the multiples of 2, 3 and 5. Then we will find the common multiple, smallest common multiple. So first let's check common multiple. First 15. 15 is here and here also, but 15 is not in 2's table because it is odd number. So let's check other one, 30. Okay, 30 is here. Then it is here in 3's multiple also and it is in 2's multiple also. So it is the smallest common multiple of 2, 3 and 5. Smallest common multiple is 30. It is 30, 30. Which is the shortest path? The shortest path is 30. So the smallest common multiple is 30. So the shortest length of the path is 30 meter. Next, page number 98. Number 2. Manoj has made a new house. He wants to lay tiles on the floor. The size of the room is 9 feet multiplied by 12 feet. Means 9 is width and 12 is length. In the market, there are 3 kinds of square tiles. 1 feet by 1 feet, 2 feet by 2 feet and 3 feet by 3 feet. Means we are reading as 1 by 1, 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. Which size of the tiles should he buy for his room so that he can lay it without cutting? Here, that room size of room is 9 feet by 12 feet. 9 feet by 12 feet and 3 types of tiles. They are given here 1 by 1, 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. Now size of the tile should be a factor of 9 and 12. Factor of 9 and 12 because it is given here that it can lay it without cutting. Cut nahi karni hai. So the tile should be the factor of 9 and 12. Now we know that 1 is a factor of every number. Now 2. 2 is not a factor of 9. 2 is a not factor of 9. 9 के factor में 2 नहीं आता है. But 3. 3 is a factor of 9 and 12 both. 3 9 का भी factor है and 12 का भी factor है. 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. So as 2 is not a factor of 9, which is the width of the room. But 1 and 3 are the factor of both 9 and 12. So hence Manoj can buy tiles of 1 by 1 or 3 by 3. 3 is a factor of 9 and 12 and 1 is also a factor of 9 and 12. So Manoj can buy the tiles of 1 by 1 feet or 3 by 3 feet. This he cannot buy, but he can buy 1 by 1 and 3 by 3 feet. Number 3. Rani, Geeta and Nasima live near each other. 3 houses are there and they live near each other. The distance from their houses to the road is 90 feet. The distance is 90 feet. They decided to tile the path to the road. They all bought tiles of different designs and length. Rani bought the shortest tile. Rani bought shortest. Geeta bought the middle size one and Nasima bought the longest one. If they could tile the path without cutting any of the tiles, what is the size of the tiles each has bought? Suggest 3 different solutions. Explain how you get this answer. Now first, only they gave us the path. And path is how much long? It is 90 feet. Path is 90 feet long. And on this path we have to fix the tiles. Okay. So for this we have to find out the factors of 19. For the tiles to be tiled on the path without cutting, size of each tile should be a factor of 19. So first we will find the factor. Find out the factors of 90. We will use the division method. Okay, 90 is an even number, so it can divide by 2. And 2 45s are 90. You can divide and check also. Then 45. 5 is a odd number. 4 plus 5 it is 9. So 45 can divide by 3. 3 15s are. 15 3s are 45. And 45 2s are 90. 3 15s are 45. Now 15. 3 is possible. 3 5s are 15. Once again 5 3s are 15. 15 3s are 45. 45 2s are 90. Now 5 is a prime number. So we can write here 5 1s are 5. So we have to write the tiles. Okay, which type of tiles are there? Factors. 1 is a factor of every number. They can make the tiles of 1 by 1 feet. Then 2 by 2 feet. Then 3 by 3 feet. Then 5 by 5 feet. And 6 by 6 feet also, because we know 15 6 are 90. 6 by 6 also we can write. Let's write the other way. Let's find the factors of 90 another way. Factors of 90. Factors of 19. 1 90s are 19. Then 2 45s are 19. Then 3 30s are 19. Then 4 is not possible. 5 18s are 19. then 6 15s are 19 and 9 10s are 19. These are also all factors of 19. So we can make the tiles of 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 5 by 5, 6 by 6, 9 by 9 and etc. Okay. So we can make this type of tiles. Now 3 ways we can suggest: shortest, middle and longest. So 3 ways are there. So first way that 3 girls, first they can make 1 by 1, then middle 2 by 2 and longest 6 by 6. This type of tile they can buy. We can say that Rani can take tiles of small size 1 by 1 feet. Then Geeta can take the middle. She can choose 2 by 2 feet and Nasima can choose 6 by 6 feet. Second way, Rani can take the tiles of 2 by 2 feet. Then middle 3 by 3 feet Geeta can take and Nasima can take 5 by 5 also. This is the second way. And the third way, Rani can take 3 by 3 feet. Geeta can take 5 by 5 feet and Nasima can take 6 by 6 feet. So these 3 ways are there, so they can buy the tiles and make the path.